Today, we're going inside one of these incredible recycling factories to show you the complete transformation from waste to wealth. Let's begin.
From organized stacks like these, we begin the process of converting old tires into valuable resources. Here we see the intricate details of the worn rubber and the high-tensile steel wires embedded within, ready for processing.
This batch here is all RTA tires. Okay, I'll update the manifest now.
The first stage of the process involves feeding the tires into the massive shredder, where they are broken down for the first time.
The shredded rubber moves towards the final separation stage, where powerful magnets extract the remaining steel before the material is finely ground.
The steel cleaning drum uses abrasive force to separate the remaining rubber from the valuable steel wires. After the powerful magnetic separators extract the steel, the remaining pure rubber granules continue to the next stage.
Here we see the purified rubber granules, completely free of steel, ready for the next stage of conversion into fuel oil.
The shredder's running hot, but within tolerance. Check the pressure gauge.
Safeties are active. Logging the vibration data now.
Large sealed reactors visible in the distance, awaiting rubber feed. These massive pyrolysis units convert the shredded rubber into valuable fuel oil and steel, showcasing the scale of our operation. Surrounded by thermal insulation, the reactors heat the tire waste to high temperatures, initiating the pyrolysis process. The sealed vapor outlets channel the hot gases from the reactors into these condensation pipelines.
As the synthetic gas cools, the valuable fuel oils separate and begin to flow down the pipes for collection.
The pyrolysis process yields this dark, viscous fuel oil, which flows directly into these collection channels for storage.
These heavy-duty pumps are essential, moving the newly created fuel oil through insulated pipes toward the main storage tanks.
As the waste gas moves through these dense filtration units, the specialized layers trap the impurities. This intricate pipeline network ensures the safe and efficient transfer of the refined fuel directly into the holding tanks. Next, the recovered carbon black is transported along these enclosed conveyors, shedding heat as it moves toward the conditioning stage.
Inside the factory, waste tires are broken down and converted into reusable fuel oil and steel.
Once the materials are processed, they are carefully organized here in the storage preparation zone.
The refined fuel oil is now transferred from the storage tanks into specialized tanker trucks, ready for distribution.
Easy, easy. Bring it left just a touch. All right, set it down.
A testament to innovation, these facilities transform waste into high-quality fuel oil and reuse.